Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I've got some really, really good stuff for you today. This one's I'd say it's probably one of my favorites. I'm going to show you how to make a shit ton of money on YouTube by making the same video over and over and over and over and over and over again. And I'm going to show you many examples of people doing that exact same thing. And it might be shocking on who is just actually doing that. So I'm in the make money online niche. If you haven't figured that out, I'm do pretty okay. So I follow a bunch of people that make money online, right? I actually detailed this method over here on Black Hat World, which is an internet marketing forum. This one is a spoon-fed, oversaturated survey niche can still make bank. So I basically go through here, detail the whole entire thing on how you can make a jillion dollars in an oversaturated niche like surveys, right? Surveys have been beat to hell, and I'm going to show you the queen of making the same video over and over and over again real soon here. So how did I figure this out, right? Well, like I said, I follow a ton of YouTube channels in the make money online niche, right? And I started noticing patterns where I don't understand why I even subscribed to them, because they were making the same content over and over again, and it didn't really click. On YouTube, subscribers don't really matter. I mean, in all honesty, if you have your titles right, your tags right, you can replicate other people's success and their videos, and your subscriber count doesn't even matter. So I was wondering, like, why are they making the same video? I mean, it's the same damn video. They made a couple tweaks, but I mean, they literally almost like read from a script that was like, in today's news, blah 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 blah, and then next video, in yesterday's news, blah 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 blah. It was the same script over and over again, right? So I figured out, I cracked the code. I did a bunch of backwards research on how they did it, and they basically just content over time equals success. That is the thing that you can take away from this. That's obviously oversimplified. There's a lot more to it, but if you had to break it down into lowest denominator, it's going to be content plus time equals success, right? So let's jump into some of this, right? So if you're in the make money online niche, you know who Alex Becker is. Everybody knows who Alex Becker is. He's a brash loudmouth from Market Hero, and he is the king of paid advertising. Really crushes it in just about everything that he does, right? So I'm going to click on here. If you look at his titles and his everything, it's the same. I mean, look at it. It's the same video. It's a picture of him, some kind of catchy blah, 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 and some similar kind of tag, right? So watch me make 30K live, ask me anything. 18K a day live, ask me anything. 30K in a day live, ask me anything. As you see the pattern here, he's got 373,000 subscribers. I'm not going to go dig into his traffic stats, but every time he posts a video, he gets 25,000 views. He's making the same damn video over and over again. Now, mind you, I've been a follower of Alex Becker for years now, and it's really not the same content, but it's really the same 5 videos, maybe 10, over and over again. And he's got probably 1,000, 2,000 videos, right? So it's nothing innovative. He's not breaking the bank. He's got a pretty good personality, and he's redelivering the same information over and over again, right? So example 1 in the bank, right? Let's move on. Here's a newer up-and-coming YouTuber. His name is Andrew Minem. I think it's Minem. I think it's pronounced Minem. He talks really fast in some of his videos, so I can't really understand. He got a start on Instagram. I think he's only been doing it like seriously for 6 months, and he's already got almost 80,000 subscribers, right? But again, you can see like 100 day with Instagram, make money with Instagram, YouTube without recording, PayPal, blah, 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 blah. It's the same video, same similar-esque type thumbnail. He's got like probably 10 to 20 topics, and he makes the same video over and over again. It's like printing money, essentially. I mean, he's getting, 1,000 to 2,000 views. He's making a video every single day, sometimes twice a day. And I bet you, let's see what if I know for a fact he's had some stuff go viral. So, I mean, if he had a couple of things that hit kind of hard, I mean, one of those videos might have been a $5,000, $10,000 payday, depending on what his ad cost per CPMs were. So if he had a pretty good cost per 1,000 of like $10, $12, then he's probably crushing it. But as you can see here, where are we at? 2 months ago, he had 255,000, 133, 130. So yeah, he's had some stuff go pretty viral. Some other stuff that went semi-viral. I mean, this guy's really crushing it, making the same damn video. As you can see, he's got this video. It's the same one as basically this one, this one, this one. He's got 4. Can you see this? Are you understanding that they're making the same video over and over again? I mean, it's a different topic, but it's a similar thumbnails, similar tags, titles, similar. I bet you everything's really, really simple. And it's like this cookie cutter. Okay, so one day we're talking about Google. Another day we're taking Facebook, then Instagram, then boo, boo, boo. You're going to make $100 a day. And we're going to use this thumbnail and we're jam it down your throat. That's pretty much what they do over and over again. So, all right, we're going to move on. Franklin Hatchett, again, one of the more knowledgeable. His videos aren't necessarily cookie cutter. He actually goes in detail. This is where it's done right, and it really, really shows. Like, I think he has 142,000 subscribers. He's mostly in the Shopify. He kind of does like half and half Shopify, half and half affiliate marketing, but really messes around with ClickBank, passive income. Again, his color scheme is like orange with his face. Orange and black are kind of like orange, black, white is his thing. If you scroll down, that's what you're going to see, a steady dose of, and as you can see, make $100 a day with YouTube without making any video. It's the same. You've seen this theme from 3 different people now, so you're getting that same cookie cutter approach. And there's a formula, there's a method behind this. If you do the research, you're going to understand this is how you do it, right? So I really suggest Franklin Hatchett. He does amazing stuff. If you're in the Make Money Online and you're not following him, you definitely need to be. So moving on. Next one. I am Paul James. He kind of bounces around a little bit, and he does more of the like client leads kind of thing. He messes around with I think he had a course about Google Maps and about local SEO. I just did a video about local SEO. So it's actually local YouTube SEO. And, it's from ideas like this is where that kind of stuff generates, right? So, again, similar, you can see he's got like the outline and almost all of his, he's got like that border around his thumbnails. He's got 4 or 5 words that are real catchy. 2,000 with Google, make money online, 12 legit ways, ClickBank, step by step. And it's got a picture of him. I mean, these are all cookie cutter kind of responses. So I'm not going to go in much in depth on him. I think he's another one that's got subpar. Yeah, he's almost got 200,000 subscribers, and I'm 100% sure he's got tons of stuff that went viral as well. So, as you can see, if you are interested and passionate about anything, and you have a ton of you start to see patterns, right? So, the next one here, Adriana from No Limits, the No Limits team, is the undisputed queen of this method, right? So this is really what I came up with. The method was watching her channel, right? So she has cracked the formula, and there's no doubts about it. She literally makes video, like one video, right? So her product that she's pitching is the 25 1-up, easy 1-up program. And I mean, literally, it's an entire channel dedicated to the Easy 1-Up program, right? It's basically you buy in for $25 and you get other people to buy in for $25, $50, $75, $100, right? Really, they're not even selling any products. It's not even a Ponzi scheme. It's like to get into the club, you got to pay $25 or $75 or $100, and then you can get other people into the club, right? And it's this whole money-making effort that's basically selling people on a dream. And she is the undisputed heavyweight champion of making the same video over and over again. So I really, really dissected her stuff, and basically it's the same, again, the same thumbnails. She speaks Spanish, so some of her videos are going to be in Spanish, right? So she's trying to hit multiple audiences, which is great. Again, she's only got 23,000, almost 24,000 subscribers, which isn't anything crazy. But like I said, subscribers doesn't matter. Look at, I've already got it filtered by most views, I believe. She had 5 months ago, she had a video that had 500,000 views. Now, you're in the make money online niche, which I don't know if you know that, but the ad revenue for make money online is significantly higher than, say, like PewDiePie's, right? PewDiePie might get, I don't know, 50, well, he might be a preferred, but we'll just say he gets like $1 per 1,000 views, right? In make money online, you're closer to $10 to $15, somewhere in that range, depending on what kind of program. But we're going to go with 10, right? So if you take the 405,000, right, you're going to divide that by 1,000 because you need 1,000 views. So that gives you 405,000. So we're going to multiply that by, we'll say 10, and that's, $4,050 is what she made off of that one video in ad revenue. It could be even higher. Not to mention that she also had 405,000 people watch that video, right? Now she's trying to sell a product, right? So a certain percentage of those people are going to buy in, right? Let's say 3% of 3%, right? The industry standard is 3%, right? So 3% are going to click through the video, and 3% of the people that watch the video are going to buy, right? So we have 405,000 and times 3%. So basically 12,000 people are going to click through, right? Of those 12,000, another 3% are actually going to purchase. So basically 364 and a half, just a half person that bought. Somebody was like missing some arms or some legs. I'm not 100% sure, but they bought in. They really dug the system, right? And we're going to say they all bought in for $25. So that's $9,000, right? You see the power in that? It's the same video over and over again. She made, basically, $13,000 off of this one video 4 months ago. That's literally insane. This literally works in every single niche. Doesn't matter what your niche is. You could be singing lessons. You could be literally anything. It doesn't even matter what it is. It's so unbelievably powerful. You can do this over and over again. Find a template. Basically, once you get the formula down, you learn all this little. I mean, anybody can make these thumbnails. Are not great. These thumbnails are all trash. Look at these thumbnails. You mean to tell me that you can't take a picture of you pointing, like literally taking your phone and pointing at it, and then putting some basically, what is that, yellow marker background on black letter? I mean, come on, that's ridiculous. That's so simple. Anybody literally can do it. I think she's got like little red minute borders around there on all over her side. It's basically the same theme over and over again. But she's got similar, like the titles, the thumbnails, once you master that, make the same video over and over again, you can see the potential. This one video is a $14,000, $15,000 just slam dunk, right? And as you can see, even you scroll all the way down here, like we're still at 25,000 views. I mean, we scrolled down 50 videos. We're down 60, 70 videos. You're still in the high or the middle tens. So you're, almost 100 videos deep, somewhere between 70 and 100 before you even get into under 10,000 view videos, right? So even these 10,000 view videos or whatever, they're probably still bringing in, like a couple $100 in ad revenue and probably a couple $100 in the Easy Up program or whatever. So she's literally, oh no, we gotta finish this up. She's literally crushing it, right? So be this woman. This is what you're gonna strive for from now on, right? This is what I'm striving for. You can see a lot of the, it's gonna be similar as content, because that's what people want. That's what people like. So I really hope that you got a lot of knowledge out of this. You really dug deep into this. If you didn't, tell me to go to hell. Leave a comment below telling me to F off, or tell me that I'm amazing and really feed my ego, because I really need that. That's why I'm on YouTube. Feed my ego here. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. Take the little bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.